What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? We got the squad on here today, and today we're going to be doing a little bit something unique. We're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're doing a little one-on-one right now. You know, a lot of individuals have been asking about the hoonigan pressure that we did a while ago when we had a mansion event. This was one of the strategies that I broke down to help individuals identify when to get into a trade, like what the market is doing, when to get out of a trade, how long to stay in a trade, what are we looking for, what are the exits. But so today it's a little different because the market is active, the market is live, and the best time to really do this is when the market is closed on Saturday or end of trading day on Friday. So I'm saying all of this to let you know when you do this, the first step is identifying the trend. You're going to do this when the market is closed. We like to do it on Fridays. We like to do it on Saturdays. We like to do it on Sundays before the market truly opens up. Really, really simple. So this right here is the hoonigan pressure, guys. And I want to break this down. The link will be in the description so you can see exactly when and how to get in the market. So the name of the game, guys, is AGB. That's all it is AGB. I'm just gonna type it up. AGB. You guys on the Zoom right now, go ahead and type in the chat real quick. AGB, so I know you're paying attention, so I know you're listening. So with AGB, it stands for what we see on the chart. The AGB stands for aqua, stands for gray, and then it also stands for blue. Now, it always must be in order. I don't want to see things talking about BAG, meaning blue, aqua, gray. No, no, no. It must be in order. And the way you know it's in order is because first you have price. First thing you're going to do is you're going to identify price. You want to see where the price is, and then you're going to go to your colors of the lines: aqua, gray, blue. If they're in order like so, they are pushing the market up. So you're looking to buy because it's an uptrend. You guys follow me? You're going to identify price. You're going to look for your lines: aqua, gray, blue. As long as they're in order like this, they can be wide, they can be tight, it can be whatever it is, just as long as they're not crossing, you're in an up position. So you do this on two time frames when the market is closed. You do this on the 4 hour time frame, and then you do this as well on the 1 hour time frame to identify the trend in the market. Once you identify the trend on the 4 hour that you have, that your aqua gray blue is in alignment, you're going to drop down to the 1 hour and you're going to be looking for the exact same thing, which we have aqua gray blue. That means you have an uptrend. So when the market opens up Sunday, Monday, you know you are looking to take buys in the market. I don't care what signal is dropped. I don't care if people are talking about a counter trend trade. And I don't care if the best trade in the world, calls a trade and they say, hey, we're going to take US 30 for the sale. Like, hey, but it's a buy. You want to ride the wave, guys. You want to ride with the trend, and let me show you why. See, aqua gray blue, you get in that trade. Imagine catching that whole wave up. See, I would much rather be in this whole wave up than attempting to catch something down like this. And this is for individuals who say they don't want to swing trade. This is for individuals who say, hey, I want to get in the market and scout. And this is for the individuals who say, hey, I want to get in the market, get a pinpoint entry, and really not have too much drawdown and really get up for the ride. So we would see that this is aqua gray blue, guys. We will mark this up on our chart. I have the paid version. I would just mark it green so I know I will be looking to buy. If you do not have the paid version of TradingView, you'll just come on your chart like so, and then you would just type, let's do another color. You would just type on the chart, hey, this is this is a call / buy, whatever you decide you want to call it. Um, uh, This would be a call / buy. And the reason this is so important because now when you're looking at it on the market, when you're scanning through, you can go through real fast. It's on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, and you know what's going on. And then you can divide everything up so you know you have your buys and sells as well. What do we have here? First trade, stop loss hit and money, risk to reward 1-to-1, take profit. Guys, we nailed that. Sack and TP smash. Risk reward one. Guys, we nailed that trade. We nailed that trade. Anyway, aqua gray blue pushing the market up. 4 hour time frame. 1 hour, not so much. So here's the other parts of this. So when you're doing this, so first thing we do is we locate price. There's price. Here's aqua, but gray is on top and blue is on the bottom. When you have something like this, until you become more experienced, you don't even hop into this trade because we call this BTS. You normally you don't know where the market is going. I can look at this and see what's going on. You may have an idea to see where it's going on, what's going on, but when you're doing this on the weekend and you see a pair like this is BTS. We call it just abort mission, go on to the other time. Well, somebody may ask, say, hey, Dr. Curry, what if the 1 hour says that, but the 4 hour is in alignment? Well, if they're both not in alignment, you don't mess with it. You go to the next one. So this would be gold. You out of here. For my gold individuals, um, I see a buy. I'm buying up to that level. For you new traders, once you're doing this, BTS, go on to the next one. Let's find another one. And it's kind of different. I want you guys to flow and follow aqua, gray, blue, pushing price up. Look at this as if it's pushing price up to go higher. All right. So check this out, family. For those of you who are just on the call, when you're using something like this, you can really do this and you can see the TPs for the market of where it wants to go to. Do y'all follow?
Yes, sir.
Check it out.
Yes,
Aqua,
sir.
aqua, gray, blue. Where is price going to? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I've never traded before. Let me show you, my friend. Let me show you because we have a tool that allows us to see where the market is going. Not only do we have the fib here where you could take partial profits at, not only do we have an area of interest where we could take profits at, but we have an area of interest right here where we could take profits at. We've already marked up the high. So we know it's not going to be too strong to break through that level. We know we go from green to red. What are we looking for? We're not going to take that trade now because we entered back here when the market opened. So we got a trade call looking for a sell earlier. And then I'll show you guys later on in another training how to catch the sell coming out of this using each one of your lines as a TP zone. But you got to get through the basics first. Y'all follow?
Yes,
That's
sir.
what
Yes, sir.
that's with just using that. And on this video, I'm not gonna even show the other one, but when you do this one, oh my. Now you get the compound entries. Cool. So so
Yes,
so
sir.
so this is real huge for identifying what to do in the market. I'm not gonna keep this video easy, long, because it's really simple. Aqua, gray, blue. See, once you get the basics of this, now you work on identifying your entries into the market. So let's look at mm, hmm, take it off. Let's turn that on. Let's turn that on. And let's go back here. So now what do we have? We have different zones that tell you exactly when to get in and take another trade and also where to move your stop loss to underneath the box to give it room to breathe. And that trade underneath. Take off, let it close, wait for another one. You still good, or you could trail it, but this is a massive candle underneath the box. Let it go underneath the box. And as we go, look, I'm gonna just show you guys, man. Like we know that a sell is coming on US 30, but I'm gonna buy, and I'm doing this just for this video. And what I do is we're up 875, we're up $1,000 on that trade. I put my stop loss right here, right there. I'm gonna confirm. And I'm just gonna target, let's just go target the high. Let's go target the high. Let's go target the high and let's see what we got. Well, that's a 4 hour. So I'm gonna be in this trade for a while. And I want to see later on if she's gonna go hit that level before she actually turns around. So we got the pullback. You see, she's rejecting. We need to see. I don't have a confirmation. I don't have confirmation in this market to take a sell right now. Nothing is telling me to take a sell. Hey, Sean, Allison is missing a link. She wants a link, bro. Are you still on, Sean? Sean?
Yeah, I'm on. I'm talking with her right now.
Okay.
Shoot, put it back in the.
It's in the virtual campus, bro. Same one. So nothing is telling me to get out of this market. So I want you guys to look at how this is moving on a 4 hour time frame. This thing went up high, it went down high. This is not the sniper entry because it's not off that level. We just hopped in right away, right? Let's go to the 1 hour. Now we get to get a little closer. We get to look. I want this to come down here to really take that entry to go back up. That's what I really want. Go down to the 30-minute. So now she's coming down. I still want more. We want 15. So now we got red. So what does that mean? The market wants to turn around right there. It wants to turn around. We BTS on a lower level. So this is when you just be patient. Now this is what I see. On this time frame, on the 5-minute with this tool, we are in straight sell pressure right now. Reverse this trade. We are in straight sell pressure right now, TP zones to these levels right here. I'm not playing with this. TP. And what I really want to do, let's be realistic. We're going to go here. It's where we're really going to go. Now, will we have a little pressure right here, a little problem? Yes, we might. We might. Am I going to stay in this trade all day? No, because I'm on a 5-minute time frame. Am I looking for confirmation on the 15? Yes. Yes, I am, but I don't have it. So I'm only trading on that 5-minute time frame. $2,000 in profit right now. 2,000, 1,750, 2,600. Like, why are we not taking this on the other trade, on the other account right now? Because of the time we're in. It's 11:40. I don't care if it's doing this or not. It's not my trading window, so I'm not taking it. 3,500 in profit, just like that. Oh, guess what? EJ that I called out earlier just hit take profit, y'all. So if you entered EJ, you hit take profit. Just clear it. Let's go look real quick. EJ smashed. What is it calling? Smash. Let's go back to the original. I took it off. Never mind. Took it off. Sell opportunity, y'all. Sell opportunity. So you guys got your hands on this. This is dope. She's pulling back. She came super close to that zone. Let's see if she's gonna finish the move. Right here's the move. She came super close, didn't finish the move. But I'm not worried because I know she's gonna finish the move. I know. And this is a trade. This is micro. So this is a realistic account trade. I mean, trade size 35. Easy. 35 mini contracts, 1,000. I'm out. Quick 1,000. I'm out. For the bigger moves, you're gonna hold in. We're gonna let it go. So we risk small amount to gain $13,650 on that trade. But guys, that's how you use this, man. So I'm gonna end this video. I'm not gonna record anymore. You guys see it. It is what it is. Quick training on this. We can go so much deeper into really how to dominate with this because it is super powerful, hands down by itself. And then when you turn around, let me see. Let me get rid of. Let's take this off, and let's add this on. Ooh, I think it's this one. Let's see. Oh, this is another bang one. This ain't the one, but this is another good one. But then when you add on this right here, it's going to tell you position, support, resistance, I'm sorry, resistance, RSI, setup quality. It's going to tell you everything when to get into that trade as well. So I like to have multiple confirmations when I'm in that market. We see she just dropped down to like 3K, pull back because we got this area, but she still ain't hit that level yet. She still ain't hit it. And I'm not worried because I know she's going to drop. I know she's coming to that level. Here's the other part. When you're trading situations like this and you see the market doing exactly what it's doing, guys, when you see it's not breaking this level right now, you can take profit, let it pull back, hop back in, take profit, let it pull back, or you can leave one running. So to leave one running, I would just take another position. We're up 30, 31, 32. TP right here. Let's see. Come on. Come and hit my level. Oh, she's right there. She right there. Let me turn that alarm on. Turn that alarm on, cross and create. TP's right there. She's going to hit it. I'm not even worried about it. And to be honest, she going to come down here, but that's going to be a longer move. Maybe, maybe not. Beautiful setup, counter trend trade, going towards the money. The only reason we know that is because we've seen it at the very high, and now she's pulling back, but there's a major buy zone. So we're doing on the lower time frame a counter trend trade on the higher time frame, but with the lower time frame, we're going with the momentum. We're going with the trend. So if you know you're not going to be in the market long, don't be in the market long. Get your money and close it out. 1575, 1750, $2,000. Boom. We out. Let it come back. Let it retest. I'm going to sell again at that level. And again, TP. I'm putting my TP down here just in case she wants to run, confirm. My stop loss is going to protect my account. I'll go right here. I'm risking 59.50 to gain 11. I'm okay with that. This is demo money over here, guys. We're on the paper trading account. Like, I'm okay with that. I'm going to the previous high, or I can go tighter, and I can really go to that level right there. So I'll risk 4 to gain 11. Confirm. Let it do what it do. Just let it do what it do. We're in profit, 175. Let's get that drop. So 4 minutes left on this candle. Let's see what happens in 4 minutes. So I'm going to go inside of the 5-minute candle and see what's going on. I want to see what's going on inside of the 5. So inside of the 5, it can go up here. I'm going to slide this up because I don't want to risk that. I'm going right there inside of the 5. I mean, inside of that 3-minute candle, which is inside that 5. So now when I look at it here, TP can really go here on this time frame. So if I drop down, now I'm going to modify my TP based on what the chart is showing for that moment. On the 1 minute, nope. 1 minute, we got a hiccup right here. So she probably not going here because of what we have right here. But I already have an alert right there at that level. There we go. Come on. We up 2. What do we want to do? I can move my stuff in profit. Boom. Break free. Boom. Boom. TP hit. TP just hit right there. That's first TP hit. Boom. Another level. Another level, y'all. Stop loss now. Right here. Well, she's trying to come back. I'm not gonna put it because she's trying. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna confirm. We're just gonna let her do what she do. Let her do what she do. Now we step in the whole way. Looking for it to come here. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Not moving my trailing stop yet, guys. Not moving my trailing stop. Not doing it. Looking for price to come here now. Looking for price. It's already giving me my zones. And I want you guys to realize that I'm not even using the other confirmation on top of it. I'm just using what we did in the beginning, and I scaled down to get the micro trades. To get the micro trades. Major pullback. Do I want to secure more money? I could, but I'm not. I'm gonna let it play out. We're already in profit on that trade right there. AK says she's attempting to get in. Okay, there we go. Boom. We say, get me out. Get me out. Get me out. Didn't touch it. Didn't touch it. Didn't touch it. What you gonna do? Is it gonna hit it? Boom. We out of the trade. We out of the trade. Could I have taken it down there? Absolutely. Can I take another entry up here? Absolutely. But she pulled back. I didn't want to do that.
I was just gonna say that when they usually take you out of the stop, you usually re-enter when you're confident about that confirmation.
Sir, yes, sir. But I need to close this because I didn't. Oh no, it's on there. Yep. So I'm in. So let's see what she does. So I'm gonna put my stop loss right here. Really could be that 50%. I'm gonna drop down. We're gonna come back down here. 5-3. That's not bad. We'll put it here. Oh, she wants to buy now. This is a whole get out the trade. Thin level. Ah, man, I wanted to get out. Thin level. I'm out of this. I'm out. Because I got conflicting right there. I got conflicting. Even though she's gonna blast through. See, we got out the right side. We got out the right time. Even though she's gonna blast through, we got pullback. No, sir. So this is on the 1 minute. The 1 minute is hectic. Let's see what's going on here. Looking good. She already hit that level. She still got to come here. Taking another opportunity. Sell. I'm gonna put this in just so I can have it. Boom, boom. Entry. Stop loss. Stop loss is way too high. I'm gonna go here, confirm. TP, where's my TP? My TP at? Oh, I ain't got no TP. Why about TP? No, I ain't jib a box. So I'm still looking for her to come down. She still got to make that move. Still got to make the move. This is a weak area. I'm gonna just keep sniping TP right here at this level, y'all. Just keep sniping 700. And this is how you just trade in the zone. 12, back a thou. I really want a better entry at this level right here. And if she gives it to me, I will take another position at that level. Sell limit. I want it here. That's what I really want. So we're up 700 on that right there. Let's see what she does. Looking for it to drop up a thou, 7. Just going back and forth. But anyway, man, you guys get it. I'm not going to keep doing this. You guys get it. I want to keep this short so you guys can go back and look at it again. I'm going to stop this record.